Good evening. Thanks for choosing Twin States News. I'm Nick Smith. We begin tonight in Lauderdale County, where health officials in Meridian have shared that they are prepared to distribute the first round of COVID-19 vaccines that have been approved by the FDA for emergency use. We have team coverage for you tonight. Our Celeste Smith spoke with health officials at two hospitals about the COVID-19 vaccine.
Both Rush and Anderson hospitals are preparing to soon distribute a COVID-19 vaccine to their frontline workers. Dr. Keith Everett, Chief Medical Officer with Anderson Regional Health System, and Dr. Frederick Duggan, Chief Medical Officer with Rush Health Systems, both share that they are expecting the vaccinations to be delivered to their hospitals within a week, but are not sure how many they will be receiving to distribute. The COVID-19 vaccine will be distributed in 3 phases.
And the initial vaccination, along with the frontline workers, are residents of nursing homes who are very vulnerable to the virus. So that's the first rollout. Second rollout will be general population of people who are high risk, those being 65 and older, and those with pre-existing health conditions such as diabetes, heart disease, hypertension. And then the third phase will be the rest of the general public at large.
In this particular vaccine, you'll get one, and then 21 to 28 days, you'll get the second shot. And nobody knows how long they'll last, but if it's typical of the flu shot, we're thinking 6 months to a year, but there's no data that tells us yet.
Dr. Everett and Dr. Duggan also stated that distributing the vaccine will help to increase immunity against COVID-19 amongst the general population.
I think it's a game changer, and I think it's a really exciting moment. Now, it's not going to happen tomorrow. It's going to take time to get everybody vaccinated, but you need about 70% of the people immune to be able to get herd immunity. So I think it'll help us get there very quickly.
Starting the vaccination process is actually the very first step in us ending this pandemic. Until we achieve a certain level of immunity among the general population, the pandemic will continue.
Both Rush and Anderson hospitals are not yet sure when they will begin to distribute the COVID-19 vaccine to the local general population. In Meridian, I'm Celeste Smith with Twin States News.